All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Nissan Altima. It is the SV model, this beautiful red with black interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, fog lights, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Do I see some curbing? Is this curbing? Not some curbing. I'll say 10 or more. Just then golf all that little corner there. Check out your tire thread, which is at 6/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. Your tire thread is at 10/32. I actually see a dent here. Boom, about 2 inches. Right there. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You know, power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump in here. Turn on this vehicle. It is a push start system. It does come with the one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your backup camera. Boom, got your AC controls right down below. It is dual AC controls. The steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. So, you know, lights on except for airbag. And your tire, and I mean in your mileage of 33,706. About it. Completes the tour. Open up the trunk. Here's your rear passenger seat. And what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest and cup holder. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Does have some scratches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The deck lid looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools and such. Rear quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger side rim. Does have some curbing, 10 or more. Don't golf it all. Tire thread is at 10/32 or 9/32. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front seat looks good. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front fender, a little chippy here. That's about it. Here's your your front passenger steel wheel. Rim. Does have some curving. Does have some curving. I see 10 or more than golf at all. And your tire thread is at 5/32. Lights are working, fog lights are working, things are running. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Nissan Altima SV model with 33,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.